Hi guys, I'm Dr. Nirmal. Welcome to my channel Doc Talk. That the exam is on 12th of March 2022. Okay, can it get postponed? Now, this is something which we should not discuss right now, but I think some of you must be thinking कि postpone भी तो हो सकता है यार, पिछले बार भी उतना हुआ है. So let's try discussing this topic. Can it get postponed? So basically there are two things, yes or no. Okay, yes, it can get postponed, no, it cannot get postponed. Let's start with the yes first. Okay, now how? First of all, every year NBE gives a calendar. So calendar has some important dates throughout the year of different examinations, which include MDS exam, NEET PG exam, and other exams, which are like post graduation exams for DNB, okay, and different types of exams. So basically, NBA has to make a calendar for the whole year, and there is mentioned this that all the dates that we are giving are tentative. Okay, so these are tentative dates, so they might get postponed. Okay, which has happened in the past, in the last year. But we can have as added circumstances, which is COVID, okay, and so many other things. So the very first thing is yes, it can get postponed because the date is tentative. Then the 10 months per year thing. Okay, now this is per year. Now what is 10 months per year? Now there is a rule that every post graduation year should at least have 10 months, okay, before the juniors come. Now we are saying this, the counseling has been delayed in this session of 2021, which might get completed by end of January. Okay, so we can say the session will start in January. If we count the 10 months, somewhere around October last or November first week, the 10 months will be completed. Okay, so to complete the 10 months tenure of the first year PG, the counseling should not end of 2022 session before November first week. Okay, so for that, if we are saying this, counseling basically take 2.5 months. So if we count from November to backwards, okay, so November to October, October to September, counseling may start in August last week or September first week. Okay, so अब we go for 10 months tenure per EG फर्स्ट ईयर वाला अगर रूल हम चलाएं तो दो एग्ज़ाम चाहे मार्च में हो जाए, अगर उनको वो 10 मंथ्स कंप्लीट करने हैं फर्स्ट ईयर पीजी के, दे कैन नॉट कंप्लीट द काउंसलिंग बिफोर नवंबर. ओके, एंड आई डोंट थिंक सो कि कोई एग्ज़ाम 12 मार्च को होगा जिसका रिजल्ट विद इन अ मंथ भी अगर आ जाए, अप्रैल में भी आ जाए, उसकी काउंसलिंग मई जून जुलाई छोड़ के अगस्त के लास्ट में शुरू की जाए. कोई तुक नहीं बनता उस चीज़ का. और अगर वो चीज़ पहले कर ली जाए, फॉर एग्जांपल 12 मार्च को एग्ज़ाम हो रहा है, अप्रैल में उसकी काउंसलिंग शुरू हो रही है, तो अप्रैल से जून, जून जुलाई, बाय एंड ऑफ जुलाई आपकी ज्वाइनिंग हो जाएगी. जो फर्स्ट ईयर होंगे उनका ईयर तो अराउंड 6-7 मंथ्स का ही रह जाएगा, जो इस रूल को ब्रेक कर देता है. सो दिस इज द सेकेंड condition by which we can say yeah, it can get postponed. 10 months per year thing. Then comes the last exam was in September. Okay, now if we count from September to March, September to October, November, December, January, February and March, we have only 6 months between these two exams. Okay, which is like half of the normal time given. Normally the time is of 12 months, okay, between these two exams. Okay, the yearly exams which happens, if they are taking it in the March, they are giving just 6 months even to those who have appeared in the September exam, which is totally unfair. Okay, and if they want to conduct the exam, they might conduct it in July or August, which is near to the September, and then they can go with the counseling, which they can start in September, which they can end in November, and of course the 10 months criteria will be fulfilled. So this is the third reason we can say yes, it can get postponed, because the last exam was in September and the next exam is in the March, which is just 6 months from the last exam day, to be exact, because that exam was in 11th, this is on 12th March to be exact, just 6 months. Okay, so this could be the reason it can get postponed. Then is the internship completion by 30th June. Now I have seen this in a very reputed institute video, that the internship completion date given by NBE is 30th June. Now normally if we consider 2 years back scenario, the internship completion date was 31st of March, okay, of that year in the which exam is going to take place, and it mostly consider those students which are either having a supply. Okay, now in this year 30th June is basically pan India, maybe is the best day to start your internship for freshers, okay, which don't have any supply. Okay, but about those who have supply, the date might increase from 30th June. As in my own college, there are students who have started their internship after clearing their supply in July. Okay, so this date will make all of them what we say ineligible for the exam, which is again a scenario in which a case can happen or the date can be pushed forward. Plus another thing, if the exam is going to happen on 12th of March and the internship completion date is 30th of June, okay, now there is a lot of difference between these two dates, 12th March to 12th April to May to June. Okay, basically to if we consider around 2 to 3 months are there between the completion of the internship and the date of the exam, which is very rarely seen, because if the exam in if we go for 2 years before scenario, exam used to happen in January, and the internship completion was in the March. So Jan to Feb to March, only 2 months. Okay, that too for the it is increased for the sake of those who have supplies. But this year supplies people will not be eligible in so many institutes, including my own. Okay, so I guess this could be another reason. Then one more thing is case. Now so many people were thinking why no one has started a petition or a case against this date, because NBE has just given a tentative date. ओके, केस शुरू करने से पहले उनको एक पक्की डेट देनी पड़ती है, जिसके लिए इंडिविजुअल नोटिस आएगा बाय NBE कि दिस इज द डेट 12th of March एंड वी आर गोइंग टू कंडक्ट, देन इट विल बी कंफर्म्ड कि एग्जाम 12th March को ही होगा. बट राइट नाउ वी जस्ट हैव अ टेंटेटिव डेट, सो इट्स नॉट अ कंफर्म डेट. ओके, इट्स नॉट अ कंफर्म डेट कि 12th March को ही होगा, बट वी हैव अ टेंटेटिव डेट, सो वी कैन से कि हाँ 12th March को हो सकता है, उससे पहले नहीं होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल उससे पहले नहीं होगा, उसके बाद हो सकता है, पर 12th March मान के चलो. सो दीज कुड बी फ्यू रीजंस जिसकी वजह से पोस्टपोन हो सकता है. अब इतना बात कर ली, तो क्यों नहीं पोस्टपोन होगा उसके लिए भी एक रीजन है, बिकॉज NBE है तो कुछ भी हो सकता है. क्यों? Because NBE is totally unpredictable. We have seen this in the past. Totally unpredictable. कुछ भी हो सकता है. And the worst thing is we cannot even judge कि क्या हो सकता है. For example, this date 12th March. No one was ready for the exam to happen on 12th March. It was like totally a shocking news. But NBE ने दे दी. दो NBE ने MDS के केस में इंडिविजुअल नोटिस निकाला था जिसमें एग्जाम वाज इन जून, एंड उन बच्चों को भी उन्होंने खींच के मार्च में ले आए MDS एग्जाम में. सो फॉर नाउ द एग्जाम इज ऑन 12th March. वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट कि 12th March से आगे जाएगा. ओके, देर आर वेरी वेरी गुड चांसेस कि एग्जाम आगे ही जाएगा, 12th March को नहीं होगा. बट दिस इज नॉट द रीजन कि आप उसके लिए पढ़ाई की स्पीड कम कर दो. यू शुड फोकस कि एग्जाम 12th March को ही है. लिख लो दीवार पे, इट्स ऑन 12th of March एंड जस्ट प्रिपेयर फॉर दैट एग्जाम. ओके, So though we will discuss this topic again in coming future, but for now let's just say the exam is on 12th March and we should prepare accordingly. We should not think about कि it will get postponed. Okay, we should not have that thinking कि postpone होगा. Okay, don't think about it कि होगा. लेट्स से कि यही एग्जाम की डेट है एंड जस्ट प्रिपेयर अकॉर्डिंगली. ओके, क्योंकि इससे हमारा क्या होगा, वी विल बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर द वर्स्ट which can come on 12th of March. Okay, I guess that's all with this video. Thank you.